Evitar. What does that mean? Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is evitar. Evitar. This is a Spanish verb and it means to avoid or something that you would like to prevent. Remember that Spanish verbs work with feminine and masculine nouns. Now let's see a few examples. Ponte una chamarra para evitar un resfriado. Ponte una chamarra para evitar un resfriado. Voy a salir temprano para evitar el tráfico. Voy a salir temprano para evitar el tráfico. Okay, that was the word/verb of the day. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, feel free to leave more examples down below. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!